Sanjay Kumar. Namaskar to all of you. As it is said that learning never ends. But these videos that are being created using the greatest quotations, pearls of wisdom from the greatest minds of men and women of the world are an excuse or an opportunity to continue that learning process and rise higher and deeper in our wisdom, understanding, and awareness. So the topic is talent, and the one and only quotation I have which conveys the true meaning of talent and implications of using talent with hard work. Robert Half, Half, Half. Hard work without talent is a shame. Hard work without talent is a shame in the sense that if someone is working hard, it's a shame that he lacks the talent. We are feeling kind of bad. We wish that hard-working people, all people who are working hard, should have talent. Many of them do. Some of them lack it, or they have not been able to develop and sharpen their own talent. So hard work without talent is a shame. But talent without hard work is a tragedy. Tragedy in the sense that just imagine what could be accomplished by those who have talent but not working hard, not only to show it, but to accomplish a great deal of good work, good thinking, big work, impactful work for the long term. That's what talented people ought to be doing. If they're not doing, that is a tragedy. So I'll read the quotation again so you can remember it. Hard work without talent is a shame, but talent without hard work is a tragedy. So, thank you for listening, and we'll meet again soon. Until then, Namaskar.